In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to interact with Perplexity AI using voice commands from your desktop browser. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be fully equipped to explore and interact with complex topics using just your voice. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your preferred desktop browser and navigate to Perplexity AI at www.perplexity.ai. This is the main platform we'll be using for this exercise. Once the page is loaded, you'll notice the search box prominently displayed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, and right next to that search box, you'll see an icon that looks like a microphone. This is your gateway to voice interactions. Go ahead and click on the microphone icon. This action prompts a request for microphone permission. You'll see a pop-up asking for access to your microphone. It's important to grant permission here so that you can engage with Perplexity AI using your voice. This step is crucial because it allows the website to capture your voice queries effectively. With microphone access granted, you can now speak your question directly into the search box. For instance, you might ask, "What are the benefits of meditation?" This question is just an example to get you started, and you can ask about any topic that piques your interest. As soon as you finish your question, take a moment to pause. The AI needs a brief moment to process your inquiry, and then it will provide you with a response, either in written text or through a voice reply. Once you receive an answer, you have the option to continue the conversation naturally. If you find the initial response intriguing or require more clarity, simply speak or type your follow-up questions. For example, you might ask, "Can you explain the answer in more detail?" Or perhaps, "Could you give me examples?" This opens up a dialogue that allows you to delve deeper into the topic and extract more nuanced insights. The beauty of this interaction is its fluidity. You are not bound to a strict question-answer format, but rather, you can explore topics in a conversational manner, just like you would with another person. Remember that the key to a seamless experience with Perplexity AI is clarity in your questions, and patience as the AI processes and articulates its responses. Engaging with AI in this way is a dynamic learning experience, letting you uncover layers of information you might not have considered. So get out there and start exploring. Each interaction could lead to a new discovery. Thanks for watching, and happy questions.